Welcome, viewers. Thank you for your likes and thanks a lot those who are subscribing my channel and sharing my videos. Thanks a lot. Actually, I'm preparing these videos especially for this lockdown period. I don't want to say that children are not able to read or learn physics, chemistry, mathematics. So I've decided to make videos so that they can easily prepare for their examination. So let's start. In this video, we will start from question number 8. Ashok invests rupees 26,400 on 12% rupees 25 shares. First of all, we will try to understand what is given here. Out of these three numbers, what are these things? Ashok invest rupees this one. This means this is total investment done by Ashok on 12%. This is dividend percent. Rupees 25 shares. This is face value of one share. Okay, of a company. If he receives a dividend of rupees 2,475, so this is dividend is given, dividend percent is given, face value of one share is given, total investment is given. So with the help of these three we can find out number of shares. So let's see what we have to find out. First, the number of shares he bought and the market value of each share. So we are going to discuss about that. First of all, I have noted all the values. Total investment is 26,400. Then dividend rate is 12%. Face value of each share is rupees 25. Total dividend is 2,475, and we have to find out these two things. So first formula which we are going to use, this one. With the help of this formula, we will get first answer, that is of number of shares. Dividend is given, so I use 2475. Okay. Dividend rate was given, that is 12%. So I have written here 100 is here. Face value is given 25, so I have written here. Number of shares was not given, so we are going to find out this value. Then I have calculated that 25 4 is 100 and 4 3 is 12. Then 3 came here, so 2475 divided by 3 is equals to 825. It means number of shares is 825. So this is your first answer. Second, what is the MV, market value of each share? So formula for market value is what? Total investment upon number of shares. Okay, these all formulas are from those four formulae which I have given in your second video. Okay, please go through the second video. Only four formulae are used in this exercise. So total investment upon number of shares, so 26,400 divided by 825, when you will cut it you will get 32. It means market value of each share is equals to rupees 32. Here your answer is over. Now see question number 9. Amit Kumar invests rupees 36,000 in buying rupees 100 shares at rupee 20 premium. The dividend is 15% per annum. Find the number of shares he buys, his yearly dividend means total income, and the percentage return on his investment. So this will be calculated on his face value and this will be calculated on his marked value. First of all, let's see what is given. Amit Kumar invests this much money. This means this is total investment in buying rupees 100 shares. Means this is what? 100 rupees face value and rupees 20 at rupee 20 premium. It means MB is what? Market value is what? 100 plus 20. 120 rupees market value of one share. The dividend is percent is what? 15%. So we will start the sum. This is your board question of 2009. See what I did. First of all, I have noted whatever is given, right? I have written total investment is this much, face value is this, market value is FV plus rupees 20 premium, and what is FV? FV was, face value was 100, so 100 plus 20 means 120 rupees is market value. This is the original price and this is the market value. Dividend rate is 15%. So now what? Number of shares he buys equals to total investment by market value of each share. What is the total investment? 36,000. And what is the market value of each share? 120. So when you will divide, this is equals to 300. It means there are 300 shares. He bought 300 shares. Now second, his yearly dividend means total income is what? Dividend percent upon 100 into face value into number of shares. What was the dividend percent? This is 15%. So I have written 15 upon 100 into 100. Face value is 100. So I have written 100. And how many shares are there? 300. This now we got it. So 100 cancel and 15 3s are 45. So 4500 rupee was his yearly dividend. Now third, the percentage return on his investment. So percentage returns, for that what we are writing? We are writing dividend upon total investment into 100. So dividend is 4500 and total investment was given in your question, that was 36,000. So I've written here into 100. When we calculated it, this is 25 by 2, that is 12 whole 1 by 2%, and this is your third answer. Done. Now see question number 10. What is given in question number 10? Mr. Tiwari invested rupees 29,040. Okay, this is total investment in 15% dividend percent, rupees 100 shares. This is face value at premium of 20%. So what is the market value of one share? 100 plus 20% of 100. So it is 120 of one share. Calculate the number of shares bought by Mr. Tiwari. Second, Mr. Tiwari's income from the investment and the percentage return on his investment. Income will be calculated on face value and percentage return will be calculated on market value. Okay, this is again board question of 2005. So let's see how I have solved this sum. Given that total investment is rupees 29,040 rupees, face value of each share is 100 rupee, marked value we have calculated that FV plus 20% premium of FV. So I have written 100 plus 20% of 100, so 100 cancel means 20 rupees. So it is 100 plus 20, that is marked value of each share is rupees 120. Okay, so and dividend rate is 15%. So total number of shares is what? Number of shares is equal to total investment divided by marked value of each share. What was the total investment? That is given in your book, 29,040 rupees. And how many what is the cost market value of one share? That was 120. So when we will cut it, we will get 242. It means total number of shares are 242. Then second thing, we have to find out dividend. Mr. Tiwari's income, that is dividend, and formula of dividend is dividend rate upon 100 into FV into number of shares. What is dividend rate? It is 15%. So I have written 15 upon 100. Face value is 100 and number of shares just now we have calculated, that is 242. 100 cancelled, and when you will multiply 15 and 242, you will get 3,630 rupees. So this is his Mr. Tiwari's annual income. Now percentage return on his investment is what? Dividend upon total investment into 100. This is dividend, so we will put this value 3630. Total investment was 29,040 rupees in 200. So we'll calculate. It is 3630 upon 29040 into 100, and when we will calculate, this is 25 by 2, that is equals to 12 1 by 2%. And here your answer is over. Very soon I am coming with next question. Till then, bye bye.